Keakua, Aioi, Uawa Aviaku, Naolua, Ina Launele, Apau Ewana, Koa Malano Kao Nuapapau. And God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole world, on the face of the whole earth. Amina La'au Apau Ilokoka, Wana Kaua, Okalau Au, E Wana Ikaua, and every tree that has fruit and seed in it. No, they will be yours for fruit. And to all the beasts of the earth, Nakapoe, Hololona, Apaokona, and all the birds in the sky, Menamanu Apaokalefa, Amenamea Apao, Ekolana Makonua, everything that has the breath of life in it. Namea Olana. I give every green plant for fruit. Na lako ka na ele apau imeai. And it was so. Apele ono. God saw all that he made. Nanai hola keako ina mea apau ana yanai. And it was very good. Aioi o maika ifaleno. And there was evening. Aokeaiai. And there was morning. Amekikaiaka. The sixth day. Okeano ia kala. Thus the heavens and the earth were committed in all their vast array. Bela ipai, kalaniame kaunoi kana ia. Ame kolaila poe, mea apau. Ai kahiku o kala. By the seventh day, God had finished the work he had been doing. Ho'oki iola keokoika nanai hanai. So on the seventh day he rested from all his work. Ho'omaha iola oia ikana hana po hanai hanai. Then God blessed the seventh day and made it holy. Because on it he rested from all the work of creating that he had done. No kamea. Ho'omaha iola oia ia la kana apau a kia koi hanai. This is the account of the heavens, ea kamaolelo no kalani, and the earth when they were created. Amekonoa ikafa iana iai ia omea. When the Lord God made the heaven, made the earth, ikala a Jehovah Hakiakoi Anai.